Speaker removal. To begin, grab your flathead screwdriver and remove the video cable from the logic board. Also, watch the DC inboard removal to learn how to remove the first half of the speaker assembly. Once the DC inboard is unconnected from the logic board, remove the tape around the speaker assembly. Once the tape is removed, grab your Torx T8 screwdriver and remove the screw from the speaker assembly. Once the screw is removed, lift the speaker assembly up and out of the logic board, and you'll notice the speaker wire running across the logic board. Simply disconnect these from the clips holding it in place. And grab the two ends of the speaker assembly and lift up and out to remove.